Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today we are adding two brand new figures to our farm animals, dogs and cats collection. So let's open our first figure right here. Okay, what is this? I think this is a beagle. A very beautiful little dog. So let's get this out from its packaging. I think this is like probably our second beagle in our collection. Really beautiful figure from CollectA. It looks very realistic. Let's place it right over here. And what do we have right here? I think we have a rabbit, but I don't think it is an ordinary rabbit. Oh, why does it say Boston Terrier right here? That is the wrong packaging for sure. So we have a collared lizard. This has got to be the funniest figure ever. You have the wrong packaging and you also have the wrong tag. That is really cute, but let's read. Collared lizards are one of the few lizards that can run on their hind legs. That is for our collared lizard, but what do we have right here? I think this is like a white hare. Let's have a look. Yes, an Arctic hare. So this can basically live in the cold temperature. This shouldn't be in this box for sure. It should be in the wild animals box, but that's fine. Okay, next we have a collie puppy. This is a really cute one. I'm gonna be placing it into the box. And here we have a Saint Bernard. Beautiful figure as well. And here we have a sheep. Nice. Another sheep. A brown horse. Beautiful. And what is this? Let's have a look. Bernese mountain dog. Nice. And here we have a cow. Awesome stuff. What type of cow is this? This is a Hereford cow. Nice. And we have a Shar-Pei right here, well known for its crumpled skin. And a Schnauzer right here. We have a hen and some chicks. Awesome stuff. Another cow. Let's have a look at what's the name of this cow. It's a Frisian cow. Very cool. And here we have another one. And this is a Holstein cow. This is probably a Holstein cow as well. Okay, let's move on. We have a Great Dane. Nice. And a golden retriever. Awesome. That's really adorable. And here we have a Siberian husky. A horse. Let's have a look at the name of this horse. It isn't written, so that is fine. And here we have a goat. Okay. And a buffalo right here. A cat. Nice. And a small little pony, I think. What is this? Let's have a look. Looks like a goose. And here we have a Dalmatian. The Dalmatian was bred to run along horse-drawn carriages. And here we have another sheep with very thick fur. What do we have right here with the wings outspread? It is a gander. A donkey right here. Nice. And we have a foal, a very young horse. And this is a boxer. It looks very strong. And we have a black sheep right here. Another Frisian Persian cow, I suppose, or is it a hoisted cow? A Persian cat. They are very fluffy. What do we have right here? A dachshund. Americana chicken. Nice. And a Dalmatian. Looks like a puppy. And here we have a sow. What is this? Let's check it out. Irish red setter. Another sow. Female pig. A very beautiful cat. Let's have a look. Yep. Probably like a tabby cat. Oh, what is this? Let's have a look. Australian cattle dog. Nice. They can look after the cattle. And here we have a Shih Tzu. Oh, that's a really, really cute cat. It's a British short hair. Nice. And here we have a nanny goat. A pot-bellied pig. A sheep. We have a Labrador. A goat. And a very beautiful, seems to be a Cocker Spaniel. And a hairy chicken. This is a Border Collie. A rabbit. And a bulldog. A gray tabby. A German Shepherd. Is this a puppy? No, I don't think so. German Shepherd. Another what seems to be an Americana chicken. This is a Hereford calf. A baby Hereford cow. Looks adorable. A gray tabby. A donkey foal. Nice. And here's another calf. A French bulldog. They're known as Frenchies as well. Oh, what is this? Hungarian pig. They're famous for their curly hair. Phoenix rooster. Beautiful feathers. Another sheep. A piglet. Another nanny goat. A golden retriever, but it doesn't really look like one. It's not a well-made golden retriever. And here we have a rabbit. Nice. A very, very cute rabbit. A duck. Right here. A Hampshire pig. This is known as a Guernsey cow. We've got two female pigs right here, two sows. Another donkey foal. It's adorable. A golden retriever. And a cow right here. And this is, let's have a look. American Staffordshire Terrier. Nice. And another donkey foal, but this one looks to be malnourished. Yeah, it looks very malnourished. A huge cow. Might be another Hereford. Oh, this is really, really adorable. Exotic short hair. And a llama. Alpaca, I beg your pardon. The Shiba Inu puppy. So cute. A squirrel. Nice. We've got two roosters, I guess. German Shepherd puppy. That's really, really adorable. We've got some cheeks right here. Another cow. We've got a... what is this? Known as a Siamese cat. Nice. I think this looks like a boxer. Another rabbit. Chinchilla. Another hairy chicken. Cocker Spaniel. Siamese cat again. Jack Russell Terrier puppy. Very, very cute. Oh, this is so adorable. Let's have a look. Doberman Pinscher puppy. Oh, that's so cute. A nanny goat. Nice. And we have a gray cat. This is known as a pygmy nanny goat. A minx cat. A rabbit. A black and white rabbit. That's really, really adorable. Small little piglet. Oh, this is so adorable. Rottweiler puppy. Too cute. Hairy chicken. A foal, very, very young horse, as you can see. And we have a cockerel. Nice. A Bantam chicken. It's a very, very small species of chicken. And with a collie. Jack Russell Terrier. A hare, brown hare. A poodle. They're very, very intelligent. Another sheep. Just known as a sheep. Shiba Inu again. This is a really cute dog, I think. Is this a dog? White dog. Nice. German Shepherd. Looks like a puppy. A duck. And we've got a Boston Terrier. Nice. A rabbit. A hare. I think it was more like a hare. A very, very, very cute little piglet. The cutest one. And we've got like a Bantam chicken here again. And I think this is also known as a terrier. Not too sure what is the exact name. And these two are our new figures, okay? Thanks for watching this. I will see you in the next video, okay? Thanks and goodbye.